Welcome to Meat News. Just in, lamb. How do you cook it? And can it really create a party in your mouth? We're going live to our man DJ Barbecue, and he's here to take you to Tasty Town.
We mix it beats with the meats.
Hey, I'm DJ Barbecue, and I love lamb. It's easily one of my favorite meats on the planet. And today we're doing the most delicious of lamb recipes. Butterflied leg of lamb with a super tangy, herby marinade. This is gonna change the way you look at life. I mean, look at this. Let's take this to Tasty Town.
You got any jokes about lamb?
What do you call two lambs that are dating? They're in a relationship. I'll get my wool coat. Woo! Our quick and easy marinade for the lamb. Rosemary, thyme, olive oil, red wine vinegar, lemon zest, garlic, salt, and pepper. Let's chunk it up. I call it lazy garlic. I'm too lazy to chop it up nice and fine. This is Hank, the olive oil pourer, and he's our first entry into our cauldron. Remember, when you're cooking for your friends or family or for yourself, just call every bowl a cauldron. Makes you sound badass. Okay, now we bring in the vinegar. I'll do like a cup of olive oil to half a cup of vinegar. All right, now let's add our woody herbs. Okay, so that's the rosemary. Now we're gonna go with some thyme. Hope you guys have time for this. Then lemon zest. The tang from the red wine vinegar and the zestiness from that lemon. Woo. The thyme, the rosemary, the garlic. You can smell. Oh boy, you are gonna be awesome on that leg of lamb. Oh, yeah. We're gonna slam the lamb and score the fat. Do not think of lamb as a Sunday treat. It's just any day of the week. You know, lamb is versatile, it's easy to cook, and it's got way more flavor than beef. It's got better flavor. Don't tell beef I said that, but it does. Now to smother our lamb into a bath of deliciousness. A little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna save a bit of that marinade just to baste. I've got this gorgeous little herb mop. Magical wand of herbs. I'm just gonna dip it in there and just slather it onto that lamb throughout the cooking process. So we're going with the half and half technique. We've got hot direct heat, and then we've got indirect cooler heat. Is that a word, cooler heat? That's like an oxymoron, like jumbo shrimp, right? Or military intelligence. We'll start it over here and then move it over here. Cook, rest, cook, rest. I want my lamb blushing. When I mean blushing, I want it pink. I don't want it rare, I don't want it medium rare, I want it medium, blushing. My recommendations is do the marinade the night before or the day of the cook, like in the morning. And also, you gotta make sure you get all the oils off, because those fats will catch fire when they hit those coals. You don't want a big flare up right before you start cooking. So let's try to get those fats off. You look so good. Wait till I get you over some live fire. We're gonna go skin side down. How's that smell? So we've put the fat side right over the hottest bit of the coals, and the flames are coming up, so you move the lamb to the indirect side, just like that. Wait for them to calm down. I like creating a bark. I want to create a beautiful crust. I want to get this fat to render. Let's do the marinade. Yeah, we got our herb brush rocking. Time now for a flame-throwing lamb montage.
Yo, let's do this. Now picture homie rolling. When you offer my condolence, you don't know just how I'm doing. And the silence go them broke cause they know him for talking fluent. Got him under the influence, the truest for talking to him.
Always good to have a good temperature probe. That way you cook the internal temp exactly where you want it. If you don't have one of these, you can use your finger, man. You put your thumb and your finger together and touch this pocket here. That'll feel rare. That's medium rare. That's medium. It's a bit tougher. And then when you go to the piggy, that's like well done. Woo! Right? A little bit of kissing is good. We're gonna make it rain salt. It's like a blizzard of salt. You hear it popping, popping and locking. Cool, right? Now the good thing about a leg of lamb is it's got different widths throughout. So you'll have well done, medium well, medium, medium rare. It's all achievable with this one hunk of lamb. Oh, I cannot wait to feast upon thee. We're on the home stretch, y'all. So this bit's at 50. Look, that's where we want it, 51. That's perfect. This bit's gonna be a bit more, at 52. And this bit's just under 50. All right, one last little base with the herb wand, unleashing, cascading flavors upon our butterfly leg of lamb. It's quite poetic, right? Time to pull this thing off and let it rest. Oh my gosh, look at this bad boy. Whew. Yeah, for this carving, I need a proper blade. Aladdin's blade. Let's do it. So you want to see blushing, a little bit of salt. Get it in there. I'm going in. So good. That is lamb-tastic, man. If you haven't done a butterfly leg of lamb, give it a shot. You get a lot of bang for your buck. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
DJ Barbecue!
You know, I really love lamb because it has really nice succulent flavour to it.
Lamb! We mix the beats with the meats. Yeah, it's a musical feast. DJ Barbecue!
What do you guys think?
Ah, yes! It's
Do
great.
you love lamb?
Yeah.
Woo!
Thanks, DJ Barbecue. You're a legend.